Alright, this song is a work in progress. It's called Fighting the Dog. It's gonna take a little time for it to fully flesh out, but this is a little taste of it so far, what we got so far. They said it was impossible, they said that it couldn't be done. They panned it and they banned it before you had even begun. Thank God you didn't listen, thank God you fought your way through the fall. Unleash the fury, unleash the fight in the dog. Free yourself, be yourself, free yourself. It was improbable, never the twain shall meet. You kept drumming, you kept coming, cause you knew you had the system beat. You put the fudge in the formula, said I ain't gonna pay no call. It's not the size of the log in the fire, it's the fight in the dog. Free yourself, be yourself, free yourself. There's no way. You said there's no they. Na 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 na. They said it was incredible, they said it was beyond belief. And you can love it, you can shove it, cause I had to keep the sermon brief. Thank God they didn't listen, thank God they threw it all to the dogs.